Again, welcome to online classes. I hope all are well and stay home. Today, we start a new lesson of biology part. Okay, that lesson number 6, life processes. In this chapter, we discussed about that is what is nutrition and modes of nutrition, and then nutrition in amoeba, and then nutrition in human beings, that is systems, that is a digestive system, and then respiratory system, and circulatory systems, excretory systems. These are the topics which we discuss in this lesson. Okay, that first life processes in how that organisms are formed first. So we discussed about that now. That organisms are formed by that that is organization of organization of living body. Organization of living body. How is living body is organized? It's organized by a cell, a single cell. After the single cell division takes place, the division takes place, the tissue is formations. What is tissue? Which you already familiar this word, that tissues means a group of cells performing specific functions, having a similar structure. Okay, this is called as a tissues. And then from the tissues, what they form? They forms from the cells, they forms the tissues. From the tissues, they forms organs. That is organs. From that organs, what they are formed? That is organ system. So you know that what is organ? Organ means that from the tissues, organ is formation like brain, stomach, kidney, heart, lungs. These are called as the organs. They are developed. After then, organ system is formation. From the organ system, what the formation? Or an organism is formed. An organism is formed. Okay, this is organization of a living body. So now we discussed about that nutrition. What is a nutrition now? So topic is nutrition. What is nutrition? It is a process. It is a process by which an organism obtains its nutrients and utilizes them for obtaining energy, for obtaining energy and building and repairing of the repairing of the tissues, called as a nutrition. Simple. Why do we need that is nutrition? Because to develop our body or build our body and repair our tissues, that's why we are taking the nutritions. What does contains the nutrition? The nutrition contains that nutrients such as that carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats. These are all nutrients which is necessary in our body to develop our body and to repair our tissues and gain energy. Okay, that is called as a nutrition. Now we discuss about that mode of nutrition. That is mode of nutrition. There are two types of mode of nutrition is there. That is first is that autotrophic nutrition, and second is a heterotrophic nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition. And another type is that this is the first one, and the next type is that heterotrophic nutrition. First we discussed about that autotrophic nutrition. After then we discussed that heterotrophic nutrition. Then what is the autotrophic nutrition? Okay, that's now we discussed about that autotrophic nutrition, that some organisms use simple food material obtained from inorganic sources, in the form of carbon dioxide and water. This term is called as a autotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called as a autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so very simple. Auto means what? Auto means self. Trophic means nourishes. See here, I write here, that is auto means self. Okay, and trophic means nourishes. So that is the meaning of this word. But what is the definition? Some organisms use simple food material obtained from inorganic sources. What is inorganic sources? That is which is obtained in the natures. That's carbon dioxide, like water. These are called inorganic sources. So that is main examples. What are the examples of these? Examples are green plants, bacteria, some bacteria, not all bacteria, some bacteria, okay, etc. That is some bacteria, etc. These are some examples of autotrophic, because green plants prepare their own food by the help of that carbon dioxide, water. So this type of nutrition is called as a autotrophic nutrition. And some bacteria also obtain that their own food. Okay, this is called as a autotrophic nutrition. Now we go to the discuss about that that photosynthesis. What is that meant by a photosynthesis? Okay, you clear it. We go to the topic is photosynthesis. Now we can discuss you what is photo. Photo means what? Photo means light. Synthesis means prepare. So by that help of light, prepare their own food. What they need, the photosynthesis, the condition of photosynthesis, what they need: the carbon dioxide, water, and then sunlight and chlorophyll. That is the condition necessary for the photosynthesis process. So what is the definition? That green plants prepare their own food by the help of water, carbon dioxide, in the presence of sunlight, and then chlorophyll, called as a photosynthesis. Simple. Green plants prepare their own food by the help of carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of what? Sunlight and chlorophyll. Where does chlorophyll is present? The chlorophyll is present in that green leaves only, that green pigment which is in that chloroplast. The green pigment is present, that is called as the chlorophyll. So that leaves are appearing green in color by the help of this. Okay, so this helps to prepare their own food called as a photosynthesis. Okay, this is called as a photosynthesis. The green plants prepare their own food by the help of carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is known as, you write down that this process is known as photosynthesis. Now we go to that discussed about that chemical reaction of photosynthesis. Chemical reaction of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, what is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis? Very simple. That is what the necessary, the carbon dioxide. You write down here carbon dioxide, and then what is the necessary in that reactant? So you write down the water, H2O. So that you write that what in the presence of sunlight here, and then chlorophyll. What the product is formation? The product is formation C6H12O6 plus water, and what the plant release after the photosynthesis process, which we need, that is oxygen. Now we balance it also. What is that balance? How we balance that? 6, and here is 12, and here is again 6, and here is also 6. So now it balanced it now. So that by the help of carbon dioxide, water, the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, that product is formation. This product is called as a glucose. Carbohydrates, from the carbohydrates, what the formation? Glucose is formation, and releases water and oxygen, which we need for life, that for breathing process. Okay, so this is that chemical reaction of photosynthesis. Now events occur. The topic is next is events occur during photosynthesis process. During photosynthesis process, this is also important questions, so many times asked in the previous exam. So that is events occur during the photosynthesis process. What are that events occur during the photosynthesis process? Very simple, you write down that point wise. This first point is that absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. What is the function of chlorophyll if asked? So that's very simple. The function of chlorophyll is absorption of sunlight, that is light energy from the sun. Okay, this is the function of chlorophyll. And the second is conversion of light energy to chemical energy. And splitting means divided. What they are divided? That splitting of water molecules into, that is hydrogen and oxygen. That is, so you write down that like H2O, that is H2 plus O2. We balance it also, that is 2, and here 2. Okay, this is that splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. This is the conversion of second event. Okay, the last event is that reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Okay, so this is that carbohydrate C6H12O6. This is that carbohydrates which are laterly converted into glucose. That glucose gives us energy, and we take this oxygen also. Okay, So this is the events occur during photosynthesis. This is also one of the important question. And the next class we discussed about that what is a stomata, and then how what's its function, and then nutrition takes place in amoeba, that is heterotrophic. What is heterotrophic nutrition? These are the topic we discussed in the next chapter. Thank you.